Hey everybody, Jacob here with Cultivate Supply at cultivatesupply.com. Today we're going to go over exciting new kit we're selling here at Cultivate. This is what we're calling our commercial irrigation kit. So this really takes all of the hassle out of building an irrigation system for yourself. We're just selling you a package that has everything from the pump to the emitters, absolutely every piece you will need except for some just hard PVC, depending on really the lengths and distances you're going to be going in your system. That's the only piece that you don't have here. I'm gonna give you kind of a brief rundown over all of the parts and pieces that come in this system and this kit. We have other videos that go more into depth on all the different steps to make everything connect from pump to your irrigation tables, so make sure you check that out. But this video is really just to show you all the parts and pieces you're gonna be getting in this kit, and it's quite a lot. This kit's gonna save you trips and trips to Home Depot or to whatever hardware store you use. We're gonna sell you all the parts and pieces you need, so all you need to do, just get some PVC, some glue, you're ready to go. So without further ado, let's jump into it, starting from the very beginning, which is the pump. This kit also does not contain a reservoir. Depending on your own system and your space and requirements of water, you're gonna need to get a reservoir closer to what's gonna be fitting your needs. We also do sell reservoirs, so if you need one, give us a shout. We can help you spec that as well. But this kit is everything from the pump to the plant. So first of all, this kit's gonna come with the Ecotronic 240 pump. This pump is top of the line. It's 3/4 horsepower. It's gonna get you from point A to point B with all the pressure you need. We've already done the math, so we're not gonna sell you something that's not gonna work. The amount of buttons you get, whether it's half gallon, third gallon, 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3.2 gallon, 6.6 gallon, in this kit, we're selling you enough that we know that it's gonna work on the single zone that we're giving you. Brings me to the next piece here, which is it comes with an arc-out filter to keep everything clean. If you got the pump, you're gonna need the arc-out filter to keep your whole drip system running clean from beginning to end. This kit comes with one of our electronic zone kits. So this is actually gonna go from your main line to your table or to your zone. In this instance, it's made to be just one big zone. If you wanna add more zones in, we sell this piece separately on our website as well. So you can make it into up to 6 zones you can control with this package. It only comes with the one, but if you wanna add more versatility, say you have 4, say you have 6, you have 5, you'd add on, if you have 5 of them, you'll add 4 more of these kits on in the checkout. It'll give you everything you need to make it into 5 zones. It also comes with one of these right here, which is an air vac release, making sure your system runs smoothly, doesn't actually pull any water that's not supposed to be pulled through when your pumps are off. Anti-siphoning device, pretty cool. This kit, the real brain of it is the Trollmaster Aqua X. This right here is the brain of the kit that you're gonna get. It's gonna be the Aqua X controller, as well as one of their 24-volt control boards. This right here is what's gonna control your 1 valve or multiple valves if you wanna add more kits on. And that's what's gonna control all your watering times. This is essential if you're trying to crop steer, because you can put as many different timings as you want. You can water 15 times a day, you can water 3 times a day. You can water for a minute, you can water for 10 minutes. This right here is gonna give you the control you need to go with the smart pump to make sure everything is running smoothly from beginning to end, and you don't have any problems with having to use a digital timer or a cycle timer or tricking a timer to do what you want. This thing can do exactly what you want. It's also cool because you can track other things too. This kit doesn't come with water content sensors, but if it's something you're interested in, we sell those as well. You can track the water content in your plants. You can track the pH. You can track the EC in your reservoir. Very cool main piece that will make this function terrifically and gives you the versatility to add on in the future. This kit is our low plant count commercial kit, which means that it's gonna come with 500 assemblies in the 0.3 gallon, half gallon, 1 gallon, and 2 gallon assemblies. So for instance, this is the 2 gallon assembly right here. You're gonna get the 2 gallon per hour button, you're gonna get the actual line, and you're gonna get the angled barb dripper that's gonna go to your plant. You'll be able to run 500 of any of these in one zone with everything you have here right from the beginning. So if it's something you're looking for that you need to, set up multiple zones, like I said, get more of these kits. If not, This right here will do 100 plants in the third, half, 1 gallon, and 2 gallon assemblies. The other option would be for the larger gallon per hours, the 3.2s and the 6.6s. On the 3.2 gallons, we're gonna give you 150 assemblies. So you could do 150 plants, you could do 75 plants with 2. Really depends on, what your particular growing arrangement is. These are great for bigger pot size, anywhere from 3 gallon up to 10 gallon. With the 6.6s, we give you 100 of them. So you could do 50 plants, you do 100 plants with 1 dripper. I would probably say 50 plants, 2 drippers, real big pots, kind of like an outdoor situation. Or if you're growing in 7 or 10 gallon pots, the 6.6s are gonna be great. But we figured out all the math for you already so that we know confidently if you're gonna be using the smaller gallon per hour drippers, you can run 500, no problem on this one zone. If you're doing the 3.2s, like I said, it's 150. The 6.6 is 100. So when you're checking out, make sure you have selected the correct amount or the correct gallon per hour that you want to be running, because that's what is intended to do. Don't go buy the system and then try to run 500 6.6s because you're not going to have success. Also with the 3.2s and the 6.6s, they don't come with a stake, so we're giving you the stakes as well. So you have everything you need to hook up from the pump to the plant. Last but not least, you're gonna end up getting a Netafim hand punch. This thing is terrific for making sure it's essential to getting these in the way you need it. We have some videos about putting those in properly, so make sure you check out that video before you start punching away. This kit also is gonna come with 3/4 inch tubing. It comes with a roll of 3/4 inch tubing so you can connect everything you need on your trays that you're gonna actually put these into. We also throw in some of the 875 connectors so you can go from your valve to your tray to the end, as well as a couple other parts and pieces you'll see listed at the beginning of the video. These kits are terrific. Like I've said before earlier in the video, it really makes it easy for you, so when you're going to install, you have all the parts and pieces you need. You don't have to keep going back and making sure stuff doesn't fit, or trying to like jimmy rig something with a little piece of PVC and a part that's not quite right. We've sourced all the parts for you so that you can have success right from the beginning. If you found this video useful, or you're interested in some of our other kits we're selling, please make sure to follow our YouTube channel, Cultivate Supply and Cultivate Colorado, and we will see you next time.